Mo sila, hahayaan mo sila na magabon sa'yo.
Okay, let's start. So I'm done with my base, my foundation, and my contour and my brows. Check the description box. And then I'm starting off with this beautiful transition shade, which is orange. Yeah, please excuse my wrinkles and my forehead. Just continue to blend it like so, dragging it inwards. What is left on the brush, I'm dragging it inwards. I'm applying this super rich brown on my crease area below on the transition color, just like so. And then don't forget to blend. Blending is the key as always. And use a clean blending brush to blend it more evenly. On my lids, I applied concealer and then I applied this pinkish shimmery eyeshadow. I use a clean blending brush to blend everything. Highlighter on the inner corner and orange on the lower lash line, and as well the brown color that I used earlier. Tight lining, of course, I'm using the Maybelline Masterliner, my favorite. And then spreading it out, blending it in, not out, in. And then applying my favorite eyelashes, and this is my favorite lipstick as of the moment, which is the Rivecowe Chiffon color, and I really love the color of this. This is my go-to lipstick as of now. Yes, super pretty, and that's it. This is the final look. Yes, slay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, please. Bye.